A quiet neighborhood in Matravale, Sydney, was shaken by a tragic incident as a man lost his life in a stabbing incident, leading to the arrest of a woman. The incident unfolded in the early hours of the morning, sending shock waves through the local community. According to reports from local authorities, emergency services were called to the scene following reports of a disturbance. Upon arrival, they discovered a man with serious stab wounds. Despite the efforts of paramedics, the victim succumbed to his injuries at the scene. The identity of the victim has not yet been disclosed pending notification of his family. In the wake of the stabbing, police swiftly launched an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the incident. Their inquiries led to the arrest of a woman in connection with the crime. Details about the relationship between the victim and the suspect remain unclear at this stage of the investigation. The incident has left residents of Matravale stunned and deeply saddened. Many have expressed shock at the violence that unfolded in their normally peaceful neighborhood. Community leaders have urged for calm and cooperation with authorities as they work to piece together what transpired. While the motive behind the stabbing remains unknown, authorities are treating the incident as a homicide. Forensic teams have been deployed to the scene to gather evidence, and detectives are interviewing witnesses in an effort to shed light on the events leading up to the fatal confrontation. In a statement to the press, Detective Inspector Raymond Hughes emphasized the importance of the community's assistance in the investigation. He urged anyone with information relevant to the case to come forward and speak to police, assuring them that their information would be treated with the utmost confidentiality. The tragic death has reignited conversations about the prevalence of violence in society and the need for greater efforts to address its root causes. Many are calling for increased support for mental health services and initiatives aimed at preventing domestic violence, which too often ends in tragedy. As the investigation into the stabbing continues, the community of Matravale mourns the loss of a life and grapples with the shock of such a senseless act of violence. Authorities are working diligently to bring those responsible to justice and provide closure to the victims' loved ones.